koki. Mira koki. Mira koki.
A drink in the pub is at the heart of British culture, but the way people drink is changing. To survive, the industry needs to understand how, apparently, people zebra stripe.
What is zebra striping? I don't know. Is it the thing you've got on a black and white horse?
Some form of dance? No. What I would imagine is paint something in black and white, but apart from that, I don't really know.
So say you're going to start the night drinking beer. This would be your black stripe. Then your next drink would be non-alcoholic. We have a non-alcoholic gin and tonic here. This is your white stripe. And then perhaps for your next drink, go back to alcohol, nice glass of red wine, another black stripe. Simple.
It's a tactic to moderate drinking that's becoming more popular. More than half of US and UK consumers are likely to zebra stripe in January, and 61% are either definitely or likely to moderate alcohol this way in 2025. But are people actually using the term?
I've not come across anyone saying, actually tonight I'm zebra striping. It's not catchy. I'm here going, oh, I don't like the phrase, but I don't have a better one. But I think the ritual and behaviour of alternating is brilliant. That's what you call moderation.
Ben Branson was at the forefront of the non-drinking drinks industry when Seedlip was launched in 2015, billed as the world's first non-alcoholic spirit. At the time, he had a lot of pushback.
This is never going to sell. This is a ridiculous idea. What is the point? We don't need non-alcoholic options. And so you fast forward to there being 1,000 brands, a $23 billion category, global, growing, exciting.
Diageo is now the majority shareholder of Seedlip, and all the major players are invested in the alcohol-free space, promoting options for when people mix it up.
We saw this play out with Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, where sugar was concerned. Probably back in the 90s. The big companies see what's going on, I'm sure. I don't think they're worried. I think they are just working out how and where and when to get involved.
Zebra striping as a term may still be earning its stripes. Not everyone is convinced.
You have an alcoholic drink, then you have a non-alcoholic drink, then you have an alcohol, non-alcohol, and so on and so forth. What is the point?
But the wider shift away from traditional drinking isn't going away. Anna Stewart, CNN, London.
Mira koki. Mira koki. Mira koki.